Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I'm going to be doing something a bit different. This is a pendulum pour, and I'm doing this with Kohl's Color. I recently was at Fluid Art Experience in Seattle, and I got the chance to take a private lesson from Kohl's Color, which was amazing. If you have not seen any of his content, you can check him out on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, etc. And he had quite the brilliant setup here. So he actually converted an old swing set into a pendulum set, and this broke down for travel. Then he has the paint can hanging from a wire from the swing set, and there is a hole in the bottom of the paint can, and this is just virtually regular house paint. Now, the surface that we're painting on is a piece of canvas cloth that he cut into rectangles, and then the background is actually painted with Mixed Media Girl pouring paint. I gave Cole some of my paint, and he painted the background a really pretty color combination of turquoise and purple. Now, typically for a pendulum pour, you just do one color in the bucket. You can do multiple buckets of different colors to where you have a few different layers of color, but typically you don't layer the colors in the bucket itself, as they will kind of just all blend together as they come out. But that's definitely something that could be tried a little more in the future and played around with. I have not done that so much, but it's a common question that I get. Typically, though, it's just one color, and I love the contrast of the white here against that purpley blue background. So if you have not tried a pendulum pour yet, I definitely suggest you do so. Cole actually has several videos on his channel about how to set up for a pendulum pour, what kind of paints to use, etc. When you're done with your design, just try to put your hand out and catch it with no drips. I actually think I did a pretty good job here. And here's from another angle. And voila. So you can, of course, let your pendulum keep swinging as long as you want. You can do multiple swings. I was very happy with my first one, so I left it as is. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like to see more pendulum videos. I actually have a setup now in my studio to where I can do some pendulums. And otherwise, I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.